Hi, I'm Anthony.
Hi, I'm Iris, and welcome to our garden. Today, I am so excited. We are unboxing our grow tower that we got from Garden Towers Projects, and we are so excited. This is our first sponsor, and thanks for supporting us. So let's look in the box and pull everything out. First thing you need to do is read your instructions. There's a lot of good information in here, and they're very detailed about how to put everything together. And so I want to put these important sheets of paper right over here. Also, while you're unboxing everything, you're going to see paper in here. Keep it. Don't throw this away. This is liquid gold. Well, it'll turn into liquid gold, because you can put this in your compost column. Okay, so we're going to keep all of the trash. Okay, so we have the Verma composting columns, and we're going to put those together. So let's put these out here. That's your top. Here's your screen. More of the compost columns, and now we have the rings. Let's see if we can get them out. We're gonna ditch that out the way. Alrighty. One more. You have your drawers, and your drawers have your little feet. Here's your feet. Let's see. Okay. So first thing, okay, now we got to figure out where we're going to put this. So I'm really excited because on my porch over here, we're in the process of getting rid of some things. So let's go ahead and put it right over here. Now, the reason that I'm putting it over here is because it gets 6 hours of sun. So as the sun passes over the house, this is the part that really gets the sun. So 6 hours is good. So I'm gonna put it right here, and it gives it space enough to rotate it around, and the grill can go down, so we're okay. All right, next step. Okay, so this is his home. This is where the home is going to be. And we're going to put the drawer in. That's going to collect the compost tea. That's liquid gold there. And then here's the screen that you're going to put in. I hope I got it the right way. Okay. So that's the screen that holds your compost in there. So when you get ready to say you want to harvest your compost and put it out in your garden, you just go halfway and get some of it and you put it back in there, and it keeps the worms and everything in there. Okay, so now let's put the tubes in. So they gave us 5 tubes, and so I'm thinking this is new because it's a runaway tube. Let's see.
Try to line up.
Line them up.
Snap them down.
Snap them down. This is new. And you see that? It holds it into place. So let's go place this over here. And there we go. So let's get the other ones. Or should we do the rings next? All right, so we have 5 of these here, which is great because you think about it. It's 10 sections in each one. It's 5 rings. So how much is that? 10 times 5. You do the math. That's 50 different plants you can put in this tower. So that is so amazing in this one little area. Okay, so we're going to pop it into the little placements, those little sections. All right, and that's how you put the rings in. It's just that easy. And so I'm gonna put the rest of it together. So I will come back and we'll start putting our dirt in. All right, now it's time for us to put our soil in. So I went with Happy Frog potting soil. And I'm gonna tell you why. You can make it if you want to. I mean, I didn't have time. I'm gonna be honest with you. I did not have time to do it. This is very soft and fluffy soil, so I don't have to worry about it. It didn't have any animal compost in it. It didn't have any artificial chemicals in it, fertilizer or anything. So I knew I was getting a good brand with Happy Frogs potting soil. So I'm gonna put some in here. Here we go. Okay, now that AJ has poured the soil in the grow tower, now we're going to put 2 gallons of water. And the reason why we're putting 2 gallons, this is my 2 gallon bucket. That way I know how much it's going in. And we want the dirt to get a little moist. Woo! Over pour it there. All right. Okay, so we have gotten the dirt filled in. We've watered it down real good. And now I want to talk about this tube right here. This is the vermicomposting tube. I don't know if you can see down it. Nothing is in it now. But we have some red wigglers and some night crawlers that we're going to put down in there with some trash. You can say like with some brown papers, some leaves, and our scraps from the kitchen that I've been collecting for the last few days. This is the coolest thing ever because the worms are going to eat through it and it leaves its poop behind, and that poop fertilizes our roots, which makes our plants grow big and strong. I never have to worry about fertilizing, which is the coolest thing ever. Also, when you're watering, the water drips down into this little bucket down here. And that will collect the compost tea. And it's still dripping now because we just watered it real good. And then you take that compost tea and you pour it right back onto it. So this is like sustainable living all in one. Everything you need. 50 plants. 50, look at there. Each one of these little plots, each one of these little spots is a plant. So, is this worth it? Yes. Yes, it is. It was super easy to put together. My son and I put it together, put the dirt in. I'm liking it so far, and there's nothing about it that I don't like. I can put it right there on the porch. And so this is the next thing we're going to do. We're going to put some strawberries in it. So come back for our next video, and I'll show you how we're going to put our plants in. We're going to focus in on strawberries. So you see my strawberries here? And then I've been collecting these strawberries here. And I got some out in the garden. They are so ready. I got some of them that got strawberries on them. They are so ready to go into the ground. And so I wanted to put them in the grow tower. So stay tuned or come back for our next video, and I'll show you how to put strawberries in. And I hope you found this information helpful. Remember, you take care of the garden, and the garden will take care of you. Have a great day.